This video goes over a pattern for a simple wallet that I made, as you can see here. It's not a difficult project, but it does have some requirements which I'll go through later in the video. First off, you'll need to print and cut out the pattern, which will be linked in the description. Some light interfacing, or a substitute like a piece of fabric. And the fabric for the body of the wallet. I suggest something heavier, like denim. Some fabric scissors for cutting the fabric out. You will also need an iron, a sewing machine, and some sort of zigzag stitch, or a substitute which acts the same way. Lay out your pattern like this, and cut it out. I'm doing 3 pockets for this, but you can do 4 or 2, it's up to you. Cut out the interfacing and iron it on to the bigger panels. It should look something like this. Once you've done that, you're going to want to fold and iron all of the panels, including the pockets, lengthways, like this. Get a card pocket and lay it on either side while marking where it ends. Should look something like this. Then you're going to want to zigzag from that point to the other point. The stitching should be just over the end, so it wraps around the fabric instead of going into it. Should look something like this when you're done. Line up the card pockets, both on the bottom and a bit above if you have 2 pockets. When you're happy with the placement of the pocket, take off the bottom pocket and do a simple straight stitch from one end to the other. Make sure it's solid because it will need to hold in order for your card pocket to stay. And do the same for the bottom. Once you've done that for one side, you're going to repeat that from the other side. When you're happy with the placement of the pockets, zigzag stitch from the top to the bottom of the side pockets, as you can see here. Now get the bigger back panel and line it up with the now sewn panel. And zigzag stitch only from that side's pocket, no further on. As you can see here, you haven't gone past that line, and it should connect with the stitch you did earlier on the back. Once you've completed that and you're happy with it, line up the other side by pulling it to the bigger panel. The stitch on the outside should line up with the inner card pocket. And stitch the same as you did on the other side. And if you've completed all those steps, you should now be the owner of a fully functional, customizable 3 to 4 card pocket wallet. If you have any questions or any inquiries, then please leave them in the comments. Obviously, these won't be perfect, they're hand sewn. If anything, it's good for them not to be perfect.